Just take it already. Cheetos! Come on, let's go!
What? I was trying to put it up. What?
Are we gonna start?
Yes, hold on. We're having an argument right now, okay?
We're arguing if we should just leave here now.
Bob, the bridge is on.
I want it.
Move it.
Because I'm pushing forward, so it's putting straight right here and it hurts. Comfortable right here. So you're not putting to my boot.
What?
I don't even feel it. See? This is so yellow, I don't feel shit. It's like,
That's like getting pinched really hard.
huh?
Go, 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 go!
Angel.
What?
I know, right?
Shh. You shh. You shh.
Angel, she's recording Mom and James.